Why are you wet? Why are you wet?
I got wet in the rain. I got wet in the rain. What is she drawing? What is she drawing?
She is drawing a butterfly. She is drawing a butterfly.
Why is the boy smiling? Why is the boy smiling?
He got a gift. He got a gift.
Why are they wearing helmets? Why are they wearing helmets?
They are riding bicycles. They are riding bicycles.
Why are you wearing a jacket?
Why?
Are you wearing a jacket?
It is cold outside. It is cold outside. What are you drinking? What are you drinking?
I am drinking tea instead of coffee. I am drinking tea instead of coffee.
Who is calling you? Who is calling you?
My sister is calling me. My sister is calling me. What is he eating? What is he eating?
He is eating rice and fish. He is eating rice and fish. Where did you put my keys? Where did you put my keys?
I put them on the table. I put them on the table.
Which dress are you wearing today? Which dress are you wearing today?
I am wearing the blue one. I am wearing the blue one. How did you come home? How? Did you come home?
I came home by bus. I came home by bus. Why is she crying? Why is she crying?
She fell and hurt her leg. She fell and hurt her leg. What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
I am looking for my phone. I am looking for my phone. Where is my bag? Where is my bag?
It is beside the door. It is beside the door. What is he holding? What is he holding?
He is holding a red balloon. He is holding a red balloon. Did you eat breakfast? Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate bread and eggs. Yes, I ate bread and eggs.
Who broke the glass? Who broke the glass?
The cat knocked it off the shelf. The cat knocked it off the shelf. How long will you be there? How long will you be there?
I will stay there for an hour. I will stay there for an hour.
What are those boys doing? What are those boys doing?
They are flying a kite. They are flying a kite. How old is that building? How old is that building?
It is about 50 years old. It is about 50 years old. Why is the road wet? Why is the road wet?
It rained heavily in the morning. It rained heavily in the morning. What is she adding to the pot? What is she adding to the pot?
She is adding salt and pepper. She is adding salt and pepper.
Why are you not sleeping yet? Why are you not sleeping yet?
I am not feeling sleepy at all. I am not feeling sleepy at all. What time does he usually come? What time does he usually come?
He usually comes at 8. He usually comes at 8. How do you feel right now? How do you feel right now?
I am feeling very happy right now. I am feeling very happy right now.
What are you writing? What are you writing?
I am writing a letter for you. I am writing a letter for you.